Hello everyone, welcome back to Criterion Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix NFS Unbound is having connect to EA's server or server offline or multiplayer and connectivity issue which is happening for many of the users right now. So we're going to talk about one of the possible workarounds which you have to try out. So the first one is all about you have to check, that is just have to check whether they are going through any kind of server outages which is causing the issue. So even if you're going through any kind of server issues, there is no fix. All you have to is just have to wait for to be fixed from the developer end. So even you can check on the Twitter for the EA help, where you can see all these kind of updates whether they are going through any kind of issues or not. So this will be the first issue, and which is happening for many of the users right now. So if the server issues are all good and you don't have anything to do with this, then we just have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to do a restart on your PC. For that you just have to go over here, click over here and go to this icon and go for restart. After doing a restart, try to play the game and that's going to work fine. And moving to the next one is all about you have to make sure the date, time, region and language are correct. For that you just have to follow the instruction, go over here in the search, type for settings, click on settings. Now go to over here on time and language on the left. Now we have three options: date and time, language and region, typing speech. Select date and time. Now from here, as you can see over here, set time automatically should be turned on. Simultaneously set time zone automatically should be turned on. If this is turned off, you have to turn this on. Once you're done with turn on, you just have to click on sync now so that it will get synchronized very easily. And once this is cross-checked, you have to make sure the language and region, that means your country, is correct. For that, on the country or region, you have to select over here country or region. Over here, if you click on this, you'll be getting many options, and as you can see, I'm from India, so I've selected the same. On the Windows, the language, you can select over here. We are having multiple options. You can select English United States, and once these things are crossed out, you can go back to the Steam, try to play the game and see whether you're able to fix the issue. And even if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one, that is all about allow the game.exe file to Windows security. So this has worked for many of the users and I have no idea why this is working. So just go over here in the search and navigate to control panel and go over here in Windows Defender Firewall, and from here click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And now over here, as you can see, most probably the game will be added over here, because right now I've already added. So if the game is not available, you don't have to panic, we can add it from ourselves. So for that, you just have to click on allow another app. Now click on browse. When you do this, you have to navigate to where the game is installed. For that, you just have to go to local DC, because in my case I'm having only local DC, so I just have to open this. Now I just have to navigate to program file x86, scroll down and navigate to this folder named Steam. From here, go to Steam apps, go to common, select over here, you can see Excalibur, select this one, and over here, as you can see, the application folder is around over here, so select this one and add it. So here already it's added, that's why I'm getting the error. Once it is added, you just have to close this, go back to the Steam, try to launch the game, and that's going to work for you guys. Even if it's not working, the next is all about you have to perform a clean boot. So I'll be providing that thing in the description. So all you have to do is just have to perform a power cycle shutdown your computer, unplug all the power cable, press and hold the power button on a few PC for a few seconds, then turn on your Wi-Fi and wait for a few seconds and restart your Wi-Fi as well as computer, and after that try to go to the Steam and try to play. And this has worked for many users, as I got this particular stuff from the forum itself, where many users have said this helped them. Try this. I'll be providing the steps in the description, so you don't have to worry. Moving to the next one is we have to run few commands on the description, on the command prompt. For that, I have to type here cmd. Once you're done with this, just click on run as administrator, and all these commands will be given in the description, so you don't have to worry. The first one is all about ipconfig flush DNS. So you just have to paste it over here, and once done, press enter. Simultaneously, you have to go for the next one, that is ipconfig release. So go over here, press enter. Move to the third one, that is ipconfig renew. And this is also very important step, should not neglect this. Go for this and move to the next one, that is netch windsock reset. So go for this one. Move to the next one, that is netch int IP reset to configure the IP. Move to the next one, it is netch interface IPv4 reset. Do the same, copy paste it and press enter. We have two more, that is netch interface IPv6 reset. Go for this for the internet protocol version. And the last and the least one is all about netch interface TCP reset. Go for this in the same way and press enter. Once it is successfully done, you just have to close everything, do a restart on your PC and try to launch the game, and that's going to work in the simultaneously. And even after trying, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to perform a network reset. And it is quite important that you should be knowing the password of your Wi-Fi or else you will be in trouble. So for that, you just have to go over here, click on network and internet, and over here as you can see Wi-Fi. So you just have to click over here, and from here you have to reset the network settings, and it is going to lose the Wi-Fi. So you should be knowing the password or else you'll be having the trouble. So just know the password, which is quite important as well. And also you have to do is one more step, that is all about you have to do is just have to update your Windows as well. So I'll be getting to this. So over here in the Wi-Fi, go to advanced network settings. Now from here you just have to click on network reset. Over here click on network reset. When you click on this, make sure you know the password, and from the settings itself you can update the Windows. So go over here in the Windows update, and from here you just have to click on update. You have to retry and wait for a couple of minutes, and if you're getting any update, just update it. And if the update is not working fine on a Windows 11, try downloading Windows 11 download assistant. I'll be providing the link with this particular step. You can update it. So I'll be providing a link to the video which we have already updated and which has crossed millions of views, where you can refer to the same. So moving to the next one, and the last and the least one is all about, it is all about verify integrity of game file. So this particular step has worked for many of the users. The verify integrity of game file is actually fixing if any files are missed and if any files are corrupted, and all these kind of issues will be completely fixed by this particular step. You should not be neglecting this. Just click on this and wait for a couple of minutes, and once it is successfully done, you just have to drive with this and you can play the game. And most probably after playing the game, the issue must be regarding this has to be fixed. And these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you are having the NFS Unbound can't connect to EA servers or servers offline or multiplayer and connectivity issue. And parallelly, I'll be providing few articles link in the description where you can read many more articles on our website Get Droid Tips, and also you can refer our website The Gaming Book. For both the scenario, I'll be providing the links and you can go to this, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.